Okay, lesson number next. We are continuing with making our fantasy Hanukkah in the form of a small village or a town, where each house is a simple geometrical form with some details in it. We made a rectangular tower. Now I would like to look at this one. It is also rectangular, we already know it, but it has a roof which pops out of above the walls. How do I make these simple and exact three-dimensional details, shapes? Well, I have some kind of base, the same cube, rectangle, and now in order to make it make this wall be of two different levels, I am just pressing one level down so that the rest stays at its level. You see, I'm not cutting it, I'm not taking clay out, I'm just pressing it here, and here I'm putting it and the other way, and I am pushing it from myself in front, and so I'm creating this kind of step, you see. So I will do it one by one. I will do it in steps. First, I will repeat this movement on all four sides, and then I will make it deeper, you see, because here I have to work also on what is left, and in order not to straighten up, to make flat the other side, I will hold it in my hand, you see, and here I am pressing it down so that all the lower part is a little bit narrower than the upper part. Okay, again here I've got a sharper shape than here, maybe because I'm making deliberately geometrical, and when I made this Hanukkah I was just going after my intuition, so it came out more rounded. Anyway, I really want to stick to geometrical style, so I sharpened with my 3 fingers, I sharpened the corners, and now I have here some marks from my fingers, so I flattened the surfaces again. And voila, we have got some tower with a roof. What else? Here I have the same like horizontal windows as on the previous one, but I want to show you something else. Let's make a door with this with the same square stick. Well, wait, and if I press it just like this, one side corner up and one side till the bottom, we're getting a perfect door. Who would think about it? Then let's make a small window on top of it, right? Let's repeat how it goes. I'm putting it like this, parallel to this plane, to this side, and pressing it down, and I can even make it go easier and to make the corners sharper, I can a little bit rock it from side to side. You see? And a little bit once again here, and once again here. This already looks much more like a real door. And if we are talking about tower, like a in reality, then they usually, like medieval old tower, they have had vertical narrow windows. Let's make these windows with this edge of the square stick like this. You can think about it as windows, but you can also think of it just as some decoration, symmetrical geometrical design, which is decorating the top of our tower. Okay, I forgot the place for the candle, so now I will make it again. Okay, I'm going inside, and here, in order to make it easier to go down, I can turn it, rotate it, but it doesn't help me to make it wider. In order to make it wider, I'm rotating it to the other side, and I am moving it around. I am pushing it outside and rotating, and so it smoothly pushes the clay out, and we are getting a round, nice hole for the okay. Now you see here that this that it's a little bit empty on top. Now, so let's add something more that we already learned. Really square here, made of pairs of signs, and maybe some, well, we've got something here already, vertical, right? So I don't want to make it vertical. I will make it here on the side. You see, I'm mastering now my, what can I make with this sharp square corner of this square stick, and here I will put, and well, now it's okay. Now it lacks something. So I will take the long corner edge, and I will press like this. You see, and now this empty roof, this empty space in the roof becomes somehow much more interesting. Yes, we have got 2 towers for our future small town. See you in the next video.